Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English subject instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss chapter number 1, which is button in detail. So basically, this story is written by Richard Matheson, who was born in New Jersey, United States on 20th February 1926. He worked on the genre of science fiction, fantasy and horror. He wrote A Steer of Echoes, Hell House, Button and many more. He was the best-selling author of I Am Legend, Hell House and A Steer of Echoes. He died on 23rd June 2013. Now let's move on to the explanation of scene 1, in which there are few complex words which I'm going to explain first. So the first complex word in the scene 1 is broiler. इस स्टोरी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसका मतलब है गोश्त भूनने का आला, while in English it means an oven or a part of furnace used for broiling. The next word in the scene 1 is glass dome. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है शीशे का गुंबद, while in English it means an object made of glass which is shaped like top half of ball. Now let's move on to the explanation of scene 1. So basically scene 1 introduces the major character of the story, which is Norma. So this story begins when Norma receives a package that was lying outside the door. She receives the package, she goes back to the kitchen, and then after some time she opens that package to investigate that what was inside that package. और जब वो उसको खोलती है तो उसको उसके अंदर एक बटन नजर आता है. अब वो देखती है कि वो बटन एक लकड़ी के डब्बे के साथ अटैच है और उसके ऊपर एक ग्लास डूम लगा होता है. She tries to remove that but it was locked. और फिर वो उसकी चाबी ढूंढती है, वो तो उसको नहीं मिलती, लेकिन ग्लास डूम के नीचे, डब्बे के नीचे उसको एक कागज़ नज़र आता है जिसके ऊपर ये लिखा होता है that Mr. Stewart will call you at 8 PM. अब वो उसको एक दो दफ़ा पढ़ती है, मुस्कुराती है और उसके बाद वो वापस किचन में चली जाती है ताकि अपना काम कर सके. अब यहाँ पे सीन 1 ख़त्म होता है. I hope you have understood the explanation of this scene.